Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Jeffrey Scott, and tonight we're highlighting one of our extreme waterfall builds. At the FX Design team, we're passionate for making our customers' lifestyles enriched by coming home to a resort-style pool. Our client was looking for a specific set of features. Some of those features were an exciting slide, a swim-in grotto, multiple lights changing colors, and the accent of fire effects. We were able to bring the beauty of all of those elements together in their extreme waterfall build. When we met up with our client, we knew that they had a few kids. So we wanted the pool to be fun, but even more so, we needed the pool to be safe. So one of the ways we design a pool that's safe is that we make sure that we have netting and roping as handrails, which will guide riders of any age to the top of the slide in a safe fashion. We also realized that from time to time, kids and adults may want to jump off the structure, so we have to make sure that it's built in such a way that we allow them a safe descent into the pool. They also wanted to have an area where they could swim under the waterfall and enjoy sitting down inside the pool. That's why we designed and built the swim-in grotto. On the exterior, we were able to create these rock panels that would aid in a variety of cascading waterfalls so that back wall would come to life. And we finished it off with the beauty of accent night lighting and the spectacular views and the effects of fire features. We plan on making multiple visits after our project is completed. And the reason being is sometimes things need to be adjusted, they need to be fine-tuned. That's all part of the experience you're going to have when you hire the FX Design team. Our goal? We want to enrich your lifestyle, and it starts by helping you build years of memories right in your own backyard.